Samsung Galaxy M31S, M51 launch imminent in India, likely to sport 64MP quad camera setup. Report. Samsung could launch the Galaxy M51 earlier than expected, but its availability may get delayed to late June or early July due to supply chain issues. Samsung Galaxy M31S and Galaxy M51 may soon debut in India. The Galaxy M31 will reportedly launch in India by May end or early June, whereas the Galaxy M51 will launch in late June. Camera specifications of Galaxy M31S and Galaxy M51 have also been leaked. Both the new Galaxy M series smartphones will feature a 64MP quad camera setup, claims a 91 Mobile's report. The primary sensor will be Samsung's in-house ISOCELL Bright GW1 64MP image sensor. Money Control could not independently verify the report. Since the Galaxy M31S will be a successor to the Galaxy M31, there are not many changes expected in the mid-range smartphone. The report states that Galaxy M31S will have a 6.4-inch AMOLED panel with an in-display fingerprint scanner, a 32MP front camera and a 6000 mAh battery. The other three camera lenses are likely to feature 8MP ultra-wide, 5MP depth, and 5MP macro shooters. Both models will feature 128GB storage options. There is a possibility that Samsung could launch a lower 64GB storage variant for both Galaxy M31S and Galaxy M51 models. The smartphones would run on Android 10-based One UI 2.0. Details about the Galaxy M51 are currently scarce. The report further mentions that Samsung could launch the Galaxy M51 earlier than expected, but its availability may get delayed to late June or early July due to supply